Hi everyone, today we are going to show you tools that Zoom provides to manage your conference rooms. As you know, with Zoom, all your management tools are centrally located, which helps you manage them at a large scale. So after you go through and set up your Zoom rooms and your location hierarchies, make sure to enable room alerts. If any errors are detected, Zoom will quickly send notifications to your admin so you can troubleshoot the issues right away. It will also help you manage them by sending you audio quality issues, high CPU usage, low bandwidth. Again, any issues that may be going on with the room, it will quickly alert all of your Zoom room admins. If you outsource your management, you have the ability to set up email recipients so all the notifications are pushed to that email. We also have integrations with ServiceNow to quickly create incident tickets if any notifications are pushed from Zoom. As you know, Zoom provides you with a central dashboard where you can quickly see all the information of your account. With the Zoom Rooms tab, you can quickly see the status of your rooms, what equipment is attached to it, and customize this view. And if there is any critical issues, it will quickly give you the information if the controller is disconnected, the CPU is disconnected, so you can quickly resolve that issue. If you have any questions on Zoom Rooms management, please contact us at zoom.us. Thank you.